Hello, Namrata.
Hello Mantu, can you speak Chhattisgarhi? Tell me what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Tamil.
Can you speak Chhattisgarhi?
I cannot speak. I cannot speak Chhattisgarhi, but I learn in Chhattisgarhi.
Can you make me learn to for Tamil language?
Why not? You can learn in Tamil.
Hello guys,
Hello Vipendra, what is your mother tongue?
my mother tongue is Telugu.
Can you make us to learn Telugu language also?
Yes, I can try to teach you Telugu.
That will be great for us that we can learn two languages and we can join three languages as for Chhattisgarhi, Tamil and Telugu. So we are very happy to meet each other also.
Thank you. Thank you. That is our role.